Julite Machinery has been devoting to manufacture higher quality grain cleaning machine. We aim to provide better solution for grain cleaning and grading in the last 14 years. This is our structural workshop. With outstanding pest accuracy, there is no need for complicated reworking, which ensures that every seam is welded where required, and also ensures the accurate positioning at the start of the weld seam without overshoot. For our blanking workshop, it aims to provide the necessary standard parts for other production flow and carry out preliminary processing to the parts. This is our professional ferro laser steel bar cutting machine. The mechanical structure applies integrated gantry design, stable performance, equipment running smoothly, processing of any complex curve graphics on the surface of steel bar are supported. No limitation on the difficulty of graphics. For laser steel plate cutting machine, we apply global standard to process steel plate materials with high speed and productivity. The new laser machine adopts a low center of gravity carriage and the latest drive mechanism. These features combine with a high-torque motor and a helical rack system to achieve high-speed processing, cutting, acceleration improvement. MT7 series CNC torque punch is a C-type double frame, which receives tempering treatment. Mechanical drive features simple construction and easy maintenance. This punch consists of international pneumatic and electrical components, imported long travel bus room, the liner gateway, work table with full line brush, a steel ball, a brush on it, and auto floating clamps. Sandblasting and the plastic spring production line is environmental friendly, energy saving and efficient, which makes related parts safe and reliable with long service life and high precision. Now in our assembly workshop, Julite engineers are trying their best to design high-cost performance grain cleaning machine. We are focused on assembling more efficiently on every precise manufacture. Despite the coronavirus continues its march around the world, Julite continues its routine producing as before. Julite is committed to manufacture no-defect products. We maintain a feasible delivery capacity to provide high-quality grain cleaning and grading machines.